Oh man, what we got today? The ratchet drawer. First up, not a ratchet, but an auger bit for boring holes and stuff. I'll set that up there out of the way. All right, first ratchet, we got the 1/2-inch drive. It's a Crescent brand. This is also Crescent brand. This is the 3/8 drive ratchet. Had it a while. Just flip that back and forth to change the directions. And then right here's 1/4-inch drive ratchet. Very simple and easy to use. All right, I'm gonna set that down real quick. All right, then over here we've got a 1/2-inch drive extension. All right, so we grab the 1/2-inch ratchet, put that extension on there, then you're good for a socket to put on there, which we'll take a look at that in the next video. Here's a 3/8 drive extension. Exactly the same concept, just a little bit different size. All right, and then thirdly, we have the 1/4-inch ratchet with a little extension. Just flip it depending on what direction you want to be able to turn the bolt. All right, pretty simple. Put those away. All right, here I don't have any 3/4 stuff, but that's a 3/4 drive reducer to a 1/2-inch. So that's pretty handy. And then, of course, in the ratchet drawer, for some reason, I have my little Allen wrench set. You can see there all kinds of different sizes, kind of like a little pocket knife type setup. Most people are familiar with those. Anyway, thanks for looking. We'll see you next time.